Here is how we can resize widgets on the Android phone. Let me explain it and show it to you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. Now we are on the home screen and you can see that I don't really have any widgets available. So I'm going to hold it down on them and tap the widgets at the bottom. And I will actually select from any of the available ones. So you can see built-in apps, third-party apps, they all have like their different widgets available, but let me choose, for example, the weather one, which is probably a good choice. So I'm going to add this weather to my screen, and of course we can place it wherever we want. That's fine, right? But as you can notice, there is also the resizing dots at the top and at the bottom. So as you can see, I can make it look like this. Some widgets work better than others, right? So you might expect it to work better with some widgets. So let me just choose another example. So I don't know, we're going to pick something else, the battery, for instance, right? You can see that as well. We can add it in here, hold down on it and resize it to fit more things, right? So we can go from this like smaller one to the large one. So I'm going to delete the weather in here and perhaps we can make it even larger. Well, not really. You can see that we can switch between those two sizes. And as you can notice, it heavily depends on the type of widget and the type of app which you are adding to your home screen. Some apps work better than others, and that's why it is important to have the app ready. Like for example, I'm going to add also the Google search in here. That's a very common one, but as well, you can also hold down on it and kind of like resize it and make it smaller. You cannot resize it vertically, only horizontally. So as I say, it's very important to play around with those widgets and see what is available, but the general blueprint is like this. So let me know in the comments below if it worked out for you exactly the same way. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.